Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iMessage abroad. International activation tips step by step clearly. Confirm your iPhone is connected to stable Wi-Fi or a reliable mobile data network. Open Settings and tap General. Then tap Software Update and install the latest iOS version. Go back to Settings and tap Date and Time. Then enable Set Automatically. Open Settings and tap Cellular. Then make sure your line is active and not in SOS only. If you use eSIM, open Cellular and verify the correct eSIM line is turned on. If you use a physical SIM, remove it and reinsert it to refresh the network registration. In Settings, tap Cellular Data Options and ensure data roaming is enabled if your plan allows it. Contact your carrier to confirm international roaming and SMS service are enabled on your account. Check that you can send a normal SMS message to any number, because iMessage activation may require SMS. Open Settings and tap Messages. Then toggle iMessage off. Wait 10 seconds to fully reset the iMessage service. Toggle iMessage on again and keep your phone connected to the internet. In Settings, tap FaceTime. Toggle it off. Wait 10 seconds. Then toggle it on. In Settings, tap Messages. Tap Send and Receive. And confirm your Apple ID is signed in correctly. If you see an incorrect email or number, tap it and remove it. Then add the correct one. Make sure your phone number appears under you can receive iMessages to and reply from. If the number is missing, tap it when it appears and waiting for activation to complete. If activation is stuck, sign out of your Apple ID in Messages and FaceTime. Then sign back in. Open Settings. Tap Apple Account. Then verify two-factor authentication is working and you can receive codes. Disable any VPN temporarily, because it can interfere with Apple activation services. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. And choose Reset Network Settings. After the restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter your Wi-Fi password if needed. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which network activates iMessage faster. Ensure your device has enough credit for international SMS if your carrier charges for activation texts. If you use dual SIM, set your primary line for iMessage in Settings, Cellular, then default voice line. Check Apple's system status page to confirm iMessage is not experiencing an outage. Wait up to 24 hours if you recently changed SIMs or phone numbers, because activation can take time. If it still fails, contact Apple support and your carrier with screenshots of the activation error. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more beginner-friendly iPhone tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.